today's video, we are gonna be unboxing. Matagal ko nang hinihintay na ipakita sa inyo ang pinaka-importanteng bagay na gagamitin ko for my contents and for my niche. So, for today's video, we will be unboxing my microphone. I ordered this from Amazon and it only arrived for at least 2 days lang siya, and I'm so excited. Kahapon ko pa gustong buksan, pero ngayon ko lang talaga na face it kasi ngayon ko lang, anong tawag dun? Anong Tagalog ng ngayon ko lang naharap kasi I've been busy with the content wars and wala talaga akong tulog, guys. So I rested for about a day to open this box kasi I was so stressed with the content wars. But anyways, that is over with, and I'm so happy I joined the LUIC content wars 2. That's the second content war, and I would like to greet a happy 1 year sa ating LUIC family. Yes, guys, happy anniversary! 1 year na tayo. Please, guys, let's start this unboxing. Yun. Na-excite ako. Tada! Floaties. Pwede mo itong gamitin to sa pag maliligo ka. Hindi ako marunong maligo eh. So, I can probably use this sa pam jam. Pag magsiswimming sa swimming pool. Hindi ako marunong lumangoy. Pwede ka mag-ganyan-ganyan. Floaties! Pwede na akong lumangoy sa pool. Hindi na 3 feet. Oh, yeah. Pero, my heart is like, I can't wait. Okay, bubuksan na natin siya. Made from China siya. So, hopefully, walang COVID to. So, natin bubuksan this. Deal or no deal? Ah! Woo! Oh my God! So, ang laman nito, guys, let's start with the user guide. Okay, it says, user guide. Okay, so the first one is the pop filter. Magsisilbing saraduhan ng pag ilalagay mo dito yung mic. You can picture it, diba? The noise that's coming from this way. So if you're talking, it would filter out the noise, the background noise. So ito siya guys. Yung foam ng microphone itself. Another filter for the mic. Ewan ko kung bakit ko This is the cord for it. It's the USB cord. Number 5 is the microphone clip. This one is the clip for the microphone and the ones that I just pulled. Next one is the mic itself. Ang mahiwagang mikropono ni Joy Pimentel. Yes! Last but not the least is the microphone stand. Then meron siyang thank you card for your purchase. I-try nating i-voice over ang thank you card nila. Thank you for your purchase. We want you to be completely satisfied. With any problem, please feel free to contact us at support@ankuka.com. Thank you. From Ankuka pala siya, guys. Ankuka. But it says Ankuka. Thank you card for a 25% off on your next purchase. By the way, this is not a sponsored content, but rather just showing you what this microphone has. So, yan. So guys, let's start off with the user guide. We can connect the number 1, which is the microphone stand, along with the table clamp. Next is the pop filter. You know what it is? It filters the unnecessary noise from the microphone. And the microphone itself. Yes, guys, this is the most important one. It's actually a US based microphone condenser that is absolutely lightweight. Next is the microphone clip that connects through the clamp that we use for the microphone. And we have the microphone foam that filters out the noise, and also the USB cord that we need to connect through the microphone clip. Okay, guys. Hey guys, so I just tried putting this on over here. Muna. This is the current situation right now, and tomorrow I will be recording and you will find out how this product has worked for me. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good night. Thank you.